Hello students, welcome to the online classes. Today we will start our chapter 13, that is exponents and powers. Okay, students, you must have seen these type of numbers. What we call it 10 square, 4 square. When the power is 3, we call it 3 cube, 5 cube, like this. Here 9 raised to the power 4, 8 raised to the power 5, 7 raised to the power 9. Okay, raised to the power means here the word power is using. Okay, in these all this 10, 4, 3, 5, 9, 8, 7, these all are bases. What we call them base. Okay, here in this 7 is the base. Now here square, cube, or raised to the power 4, raised to the power 5, raised to the power 9. So these are power. So 9 is power in this. Okay. Now if you have to tell about 100 in the form of power, so what you will write, 100 can be written as 10 into 10, and 10 into 10 means 10 square or 10 raised to the power 4. So this is the exponential form. When we define any number in the form of power, so it is the exponential form of that number. Okay. Now we have to expand a cube b square. So how we will expand it? Here a raised to the power is 3. So what we will write? We will write a 3 times into multiplication. Okay. Now b square, it means we have to write b 2 times in multiplication. So into b into b. So this is the expand form of this term. Now find the value of, we have to find the value of 9 cube. 9 cube means 9 is 3 times in multiplication, means 9 into 9 into 9. So 9 9s is 81 and 81 9s is 729. So this is the solution for 9 cube. Now 2 raised to the power 6. So what we will write? 2 6 times, because 2 is the base here, so we will write base, and how many times? The number of power. Okay, so here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. I have written 2 6 times here, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, now to find it answer, what we will do? We will multiply them. 2 2s is 4, 4 2s is 8, 8 2s is 16, 16 2s is 32, and 32 2s is 64. So here 64 is the answer. Now we have to write in exponential form. As I have discussed here, exponential form means the power, the number written in the power form. Okay, so we will write it in power form. So here b into b into b 4 times. So what we can write? We can write b raised to the power 4, because here b is repeating. So b, and how many times it is repeating? 4 times. So means its power is 4. Now we have to expand this. Here a, c and d are the variables. We will check how many times a is repeating itself. It is 3 times. So we will write a cube. Now c raised to the power 1 2 3 4, because c is 4 times, so c raised to the power 4. Okay, and here d is 1 time, so we will write d only. So this is the exponential form as we have written them in the form of power. Okay, now next question is 5 1 2. We have to return it in the form 5 1 2. You can't easily tell that what should we write it. Can we write it 2 into 2 into 2 or something like into 3 or into 5? We can't tell. So for that what we do? We do the prime factors of the number, bigger number. Okay, so here 5 1 2 is given, and we will do the prime factors like this. So 5 1 2, it can be divided by 2. So we will write 2, then 2 2s is 4, 11 5 2s is 10, and 6 2s is 12. Then again we can divide by 2, 2 1s is 2, 2 2s is 4, and 2 8s is 16. Again we can divide by 2, 2 6 is 12, and 2 4s is 8. Again 2 2 3s is 6, and 2 2s is 4. 2 16, 2 8, 2 4, and again 2 1. Okay, so if we check here, how many times we are getting 2? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so we will write like this: 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. It means its answer is 2 raised to the power 9, because how many times 2 is repeating itself. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 2 raised to the power 9 is the answer. Now next one is 3, 1, 2, 5. Again we will do the prime factorization. 3, 1, 2, 5. Now this can be divided by 5. So here we will write 5. 6 5 is 30. Then it is 12. So 6 2 is 10. Sorry, 5 2 is 5 6 is 30. Then 5 2 is 10. Then 25 is remaining here. So 5 5 is 25. Then again we can divide by 5. So 5 1 is 5. 5 2 is 10. And 5 is 25. Then again 5 5 2 is 10. And 5 5 is 25. Again 5 5 5 1. So how many times 5 we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5. It means its answer is 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 times, and we will write it 5 raised to the power 5. So this is the exponential form, and we have to change the number in exponential form only. Okay, now we have to identify which one is greater. 5 cube is greater or 3 raised to the power 5 is greater. So for that we have to calculate their value. So first of all we will calculate for 5 raised to the power 3. 5 raised to the power 3 means 5 into 5 into 5. So 5 5 is 25 and 25 5 is 125. And then we will find the value for 3 raised to the power 5. So here 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 5 times. So here 3 3 is 9, 9 3 is 27, 27 3 is 81, and what will be the 81 3 is 243. Okay, now what we get after solving 5 cube we are getting 125, and for 3 raised to the power 5 we are getting 243. So which one is greater? 243 is greater. It means we will write that 3 raised to the power 5 is greater. Now like this we have to solve this question. 2 raised to the power 8 or 8 raised to the power 2. So in this also we will solve 2 raised to the power 8 means we have to write 2 8 times. I have written here. Now we will calculate. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Then 64 2s are is 128, and 128 2s are is 256. Okay, now we will calculate 8 square. 8 square means 8 into 8, and we know that 8 into 8 is 64. Okay, so what we are getting? We are getting 256 and 64. Which one is greater? 256 is greater. It means 2 raised to the power 8 is greater. So we will write that 2 raised to the power is greater. Okay students, like this you have to, you can tell which one is greater or smaller by calculating their value. So students, our next question is express as power of prime factors. Okay, prime factors means first of all we will do the prime factors. 648, we have to do the prime factors of 648. We will do here 648. So first of all, as it is even number, so we can divide it by 2. So 2, 3 2s is 6, 2 2s is 4, and 4 2s is 8. Then again we can divide by 2. 2 1s is 2, then 12, 2 6 is 12, and 2 2s is 4. Then again 2, 2 8s and 2 1s. Now this 8 plus 1 is 9, so it can be divided by 3. So 3 2s is 6, and 3 7s is 27. Again we can divide it by 3. We will get 9, then again 3. Like this we can make the prime factors. So here 648 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2, as here 2 are 3 times and here 3 are 4 times. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, like this we can write 648. Now here 2 is repeating and 3 is repeating. So what we can write? We will write 2 and raised to the power will be number of times they are repeating. 1 2 3, 3 times. So we will write 2 raised to the power 3. And here 3 1 2 3. sorry, 3 is repeating 1, 2, 3, 4 times, so 3 is raised to the power 4. So here we have to express as power of prime factors. These are the prime factors and we have calculated their power also here. So we have expressed them as power of prime factors, okay. So 648 is equals to 2 cube into 3 raised to the power 4, okay. Now simplify. Simplify means we have to solve this. 7 square. 7 square means 7 into 7. 2 square means 2 into 2. What we will do? We will simply multiply them. 7 7 is 49. Then 49 2 is 98 and 98 2 is 196. So 196 will be our answer. Here students, one method is 0 into 10 square is 10 into 10 means 100 and 0 multiply something gives us 0. Here we can directly write 0. Whether the number is small or great, when it is multiplied by 0 it will give the answer 0, so we can simply write 0 as an answer. Now minus 3 square into minus 5 square, so what we will write here? Minus 3 square means minus 3 into minus 3 2 times, minus 5 square is minus 5 into minus 5 2 times, okay. So we will start solving. Here what will be the answer for minus 3 and minus 3? Minus 3 minus 3 is 9, 3 3s is 9 and minus minus gives us positive answer. Here multiplication sign, then minus 5 will give us 25, minus sign will be positive and 5 5 is 25, okay. Now 25 into 9 gives us 225 as answer. So the answer of minus 3 square into minus 5 square is 225, okay. Now compare. We have to compare between them. Here 4 into 10 raised to the power 14 is given and 3 into 10 raised to the power 17 is given. So students, in this kind of question we have to compare between them 3 into 10 raised to the power 17. So students, here if we see 10 raised to the power 14 is here and 10 raised to the power 17 is here. Here 10 and 10 are same, but whose power is more? Here 10 raised to the power 17 is more. It means we will put the sign like this. So in this 3 into 10 raised to the power 17 is greater than 4 into 10 raised to the power 14. Okay students, by this your exercise is complete. Hope to see you next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.